Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars on YouTube re-uploading a simple video. Okay, when you watch this video to the end, you are going to learn step by step on how to do that. Okay, for free. You don't need to pay anything. Okay, just stick around with me and keep your attention to the video. Okay, you can share it to your friend. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon and drop a comment. I'm going to help you and assist you to make your money online for free. Okay, now the number one website I'm going to show you, let's go to youtube.com. okay, when you go to YouTube, search for Kate video. Okay, this is Kate video. Okay, come to feature. When you search for Kate video, come to feature. Okay, when you come to feature, come to Creative Commons. What this does is that Creative Commons is a video that a user have already uploaded on YouTube, but is under Creative Commons. Someone can reuse the video for free without having copyright issue. Okay, try to understand what I'm saying. Okay, you have to reuse it. Okay, like this guy's now is 2 year video. It has 11 million. You can reuse this, but I'm going to show you how to reuse it. You can't just download it and upload it. It won't work. Okay, because I'm showing you this legit way to make this cool cash for yourself. Legit way, not other gurus that will tell you download it and upload it. No. Now this is what you do. Come to this bar and press this icon. Let me check the page of the YouTuber. Okay, it's going to load up and open up. It's loading. Let's be seconds. Okay, boom, this guy have 571k subscribers. It have 571k subscriber. That's good. Let me check his earning per month. Let's go to a site called Social Publish. That's where we check any of YouTuber. Okay, it's going to load up. Let's give him a few. Okay, it has loaded up. Let's scroll up and see. Now as you can see guys, this is what you do. Right click here and paste it. When you do so, search. When you search it, it's going to pop up the channel detail. Okay, when you pop up it, you can check how the channel is making its money from YouTube. Okay, now as you can see, this guy is making $202 per year. Is making 2.4k, 2,400k. What I see about this guy is that it's not uploading regularly. Okay, when it uploads regularly, it's going to get tons of view. Okay, because when you make money on YouTube is by viewing. When someone view your video and wait the ad finish and skip it, you are going to make a cent. Okay, now as you can see, you can make more than these guys making. This is your opportunity for you to make. Forget the subscriber these guys have. With a few video you upload with good thumbnail, you can make thousands of dollars. Okay, now when you come to YouTube, let's go to YouTube and come to the videos. I want to show you a secret on how to do it. Okay, as you can see, we are on video. This is what you do. This is 8 minutes, 1 minute, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, depending on your choice. You can download 2 and cut it. I'm going to show you how to cut it and join it together and upload it to YouTube. You are free to go. Okay, you don't have to stress yourself. When you download 9 minutes, you can cut it into 2. Do not show all the full video because it may be copyright claim. Okay, now this is what you do. Let me click this guy. Okay, when you click this is what you do. Let me pause it. Let us zoom. I've paused it. Like I said earlier, when you want to download a video on a page like this, you have to put subscribe and like, and press the share button to copy the link. Go to a site, my favorite site, y2me.com. This is where I download YouTube video. Okay, right click this and let's paste this. Is going to show the video. When you download this video right to your PC, come to a site called cleardew.com. When you're cleardew.com, let me go back and show you how to upload it for you not to get confused. When you're cleardew.com, it's free to use. You don't need to pay for the price. Okay, just come to tools. There are tons of different ways to edit your video. You can match video. What this does is that when you download 3 files of video or 2, you can combine it together to become one video. Okay, you can compress a video, you can add subtitle to a video, you can resize a video to resize the screen or the setting. Okay, you can cut a video. This is what we use on this video maker. You can make a video. Okay, this meme maker. Okay, now let's go to cut a video. Let's use cut a video. When I dry clean it, okay, you choose, if it is your computer you are using, you press choose file. Okay, when you do so, it's going to open your PC download. Okay, let me use, for this tutorial, let me use this video and see how it works. It's going to be loading. Let's wait for a seconds. When you load finish, you will continue the tutorial. Okay guys, it's processing. It has reached 100%. It's going to load up to a page where I will be able to cut the video. Okay, this is the full video I uploaded. This video sound okay. Now how to cut it, skip it. When you pause it, this is what you do. Come to this yellow icon bar. Okay, press your keyboard and cut it to your size. You can leave it here. For example, I'm showing you example on how to do so. When I play it, the video will start from this side. Okay, when you download the cut video on YouTube, make sure the beginning to a seconds view level, cut it. The end of the third video, cut it. Okay, and the middle you can add up another video and merge it together. This same site will do that for you for free without paying anything. When you finish cutting it, you can export it to your PC. When you do so and come to YouTube, okay, when you come to YouTube, because you watching me now, I know you have a YouTube account, come to upload and upload it. When you do so, before you publish it, because to publish a video is very simple step, make sure you come to this same channel. Okay, this is what I want you to do. On your tagline, right, on your tagline, come to this guy and copy this keyword and paste it there. Okay, when you copy this keyword on your tagline, when you have uploaded the video, paste it on it. When you do so, it's going to rank you higher. Now how to create the thumbnail. Okay, I have a tutorial on my previous video on how to create thumbnail for free on Canva. But if you are a person that have small little bit of money, you want your site to rank higher faster for you to make money, you can go to a site called fiverr.com. When you're on fiverr.com, just search for budgets and put $5 budget. When you put $5 budget, okay, when you put $5 budget, come to up search button and search for thumbnail. As you can see, thumbnail. When you search for thumbnail, these are professional freelancer that will design cool thumbnail for your card video. You can get millions of views with a cool thumbnail. Okay, because when a client saw a thumbnail, he wish to click. Okay, he wish to click and watch the video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you find any value from this video, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, and share it with your friend. Cheers guys, see you on my next video.